Every balloon begins as raw liquid latex, straight from the source. Before it becomes a balloon, it has to pass the test.
From tanker to tank Appleware, the raw material is ready to begin its journey.
Pipes carry the latex, where hands and machines will shape it.
Color is added early, every hue carried straight through to the final balloon. The tanks are filled. The molds are ready to descend.
This is where raw material becomes a balloon shape for the first time.
Every balloon in the world starts its journey inside a building like this one. Inside, one continuous line turns liquid latex into millions of balloons. The line is live. The molds begin their descent.
Even before the dip, every mold must be spotless.
Dry, clean, and ready hue, the molds move on to the tanks.
Only clean, sorted latex reaches the mold.
One dip. One perfect coat. The shape is born. Minutes of heat lock in the balloon's shape for good. Out of the heat, a balloon shape holds firm for the first time. Peeled free, the balloon takes its first true form. A light dusting keeps every balloon smooth and ready.
Precision trimming gives every balloon its finished edge.
Thousands of balloons, one batch at a time. Automation sorts every balloon by size and color, without missing a beat. Before any balloon ships, it has to prove itself.
Every balloon must stretch exactly as designed. Philippe, no more, no less. A careful eye catches what machines might miss.
A random few speak for the whole batch. Every millimeter of thickness is measured, not guessed. Certified and cleared and in, ready for the final stretch.
One last stop before these balloons leave the building. Sealed and labeled, ready for the shelf.
Case by case, the batch comes together.
Every color, every batch, ready and waiting.
And this is how modern factories produce balloons from start to finish.
From liquid latex to a truck on the road, every balloon has a story.